Degrees of comparison. This is the one of the most important part of adjective. Okay, now come to the point. Adjective, comparative, superlative degree. Okay, adjective, if adjective is bigger, then its comparative is bigger and superlative is biggest. Superlative means more than two, दो से ज़्यादा. In the same way, I'm saying in sequence: large, larger, largest; high, higher, highest. Yeah? No. This is the sequence of adjective, comparative and superlative. If adjective young, what is young? This is adjective. Comparative क्या होगा? Younger, youngest. Brave, braver, bravest. Okay. Now come to the next point. Single syllable adjective ending with y. Take IER. Single syllable adjective ending with y. Taking IER and IES and y is removed. Happy. Example. HAPPY, happy. What would be its comparative? Happier. HAPPIER and superlative HAPPIEST. So what I said, single syllable adjective ending with y. Single syllable adjective जो y से खत्म होता है. ओके, तो IER लगता है कंपैरेटिव में एंड सुपरलेटिव में IEST और y रिमूव हो जाता है. हैप्पी, हैप्पियर, हैप्पीएस्ट. वेल्दी, धनवान, वेल्दियर, वेल्दिएस्ट. मर्की, मर्कियर, मर्किएस्ट. कम टू द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट. सिंगल सिलेटिव एडजेक्टिव एंडिंग विथ ए, जो ए से खत्म हो. कॉन्सोनेंट बट हैव अ वोवेल बिफोर इट. टेक, अर्थ एंड EST. रेड. Ending with a consonant but have a vowel before it. Ending with a consonant, जिसके लास्ट में consonant है लेकिन उससे पहले अगर vowel हो सिंगल syllable adjective में, तो क्या होगा? वहां पे लगेगा IER और ER and EST. Red, redder, reddest. REDDER, redder. REDDEST, reddest. Fat, FAT, fat. Fatter, FATTER, fatter. FATTEST, fattest. Okay. Hot, hotter, hottest. Now come to the next point. Adjective with more than one syllable. Adjective with more than one syllable. Take more in comparative and most in superlative. जिसमें one syllable है वो क्या होगा? More in comparative में क्या लगेगा? More. और most किसमें लगेगा? Superlative में. Industrious, more industrious, most industrious. Proper, more proper, comparative more proper and superlative most proper. Okay. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. This is how we classify just adjective and how it makes comparative and superlative. Now come to the next point. Some formulas are here. Okay, जिससे आपको बहुत आसानी होगी बनाने में. Positive degree formula. No other plus RP means relative pronoun plus HV. Okay. Word as plus A1 plus as plus subject. A1 means यहाँ पे हो गया adjective 1. No other plus RP plus HB means verb. And as plus A1 adjective plus as plus subjects. No other man of the town is as able as he. No other, तो लगा इस शहर में कोई उसके तरह योग्य नहीं है. No other man of the town is as able as he. इस गांव का कोई भी आदमी उतना योग्य नहीं है जितना कि वो है. Okay. Positive degree formula. No other plus RP relative pronoun plus HB plus as plus A1 plus as plus S. Second, few, very few plus RP relative pronoun plus HB plus as plus A1 plus as plus subject. Few boys in the class are as good as Ravi. कुछ लड़के क्लास में रवि के जैसे ही अच्छे हैं. फॉर्मूला क्या होगा? पॉजिटिव डिग्री फॉर्मूला. few, a few, plus RP relative pronoun plus HV verb plus as plus A1 plus as plus subject. Few boys in the class are as good as in Ravi. Some students in the class are as intelligent as Shreya. Now come to the second point, comparative degree. Subject plus HV plus A2. A2 stands for adjective 2. That means comparative degree. Plus any other plus RT. India is more beautiful than any other country in the world. Comparative degree formula, subject plus HV plus A2 plus then. Then लगता ही है comparative degree में. THM then plus any other plus RT. India is more beautiful than any other country in the world. Shreya is more intelligent than some other students in the class. Shreya is more intelligent than some other students in the class. Superlative degree. Superlative, that more than 2. Subject plus HV plus the plus A3 adjective 3, that is superlative degree as you read. Plus RP. He is the ablest of the town. Ablest. A3 हो गया. Subject plus HV plus the plus A3 plus RP. He is the ablest man of the town. इससे हमारा सबसे योग्य आदमी है. Subject plus HV plus one of the भी लगेगा. One of the plus A3 plus RP. Ravi is one of the best boy in the class. Now come to the third point, subject जब not लगाना हो, subject plus HV plus not. यहाँ पे superlative degree में क्या हो रहा है, HV पहले आ रहा है, plus not, then not के पास then plus then A3, then of all plus RP. Shreya is not the most intelligent. Shreya is not, ये negative sentence है, Shreya is not the most intelligent of all the students in the class. श्रेया सब में सबसे ज्यादा इंटेलिजेंट नहीं है, तो नॉट जब लगेगा, जब नेगेटिव सेंटेंस होगा, तो सब्जेक्ट प्लस HV प्लस नॉट देन द प्लस A3 प्लस ऑफ ऑल प्लस RP. श्रेया इज नॉट द मोस्ट इंटेलिजेंट क्लास ऑफ द स्टूडेंट ऑफ दिस क्लास. So these are some formulas of degree. Okay, positive, comparative and superlative. Again I taught you about some words, how to ending with Y, how to make it comparative and superlative. So these are the most important common error for your competitive examination. So be ready for that. If you have any problem, just comment in the comment box. Thank you.